So we're just going to go and have a look at how we answer this question on calculating the percentage of bromine in dibromomethane. Right, so key things there from the question is told you that we're looking at answering bromine, and it's told you what the formula is of dibromomethane is. Right. Also, it's gone and it's given you the MRs of the different atoms. Right, it doesn't always do that, but this instance it has. Right, so the equation that we'll be using is the percentage mass is the mass of the element in the compound divided by the total mass of the compound. Right, so there are a few key things that we need to do when answering these sorts of questions. The first thing is calculate the mass of the atom that we want. So we're looking for just the mass of bromine. Right, so we can see there from our formula we've got Br2. So, and we can see there that the mass of bromine is 80. So therefore we're going to go for 2 times by 80, which will give us a total mass of 160. Right, the second thing that we're going to do is calculate the total mass of the compound. So we know that we're going to have 80 times by 2 plus our hydrogen plus 2 lots of carbon. So then finally, we're just going to go and calculate the percentage by dividing the total mass of the bromine divided by the total mass of the compound to go and give us our percentage. Right, remember the percentage, always go and times it by 100 because we need to go and turn it into a percentage.